Solana versus Cardano. It's the question we've all been asking lately in the cryptocurrency world, and we're going to be talking about that today in this video. Solana is currently sitting at 7, and of course, Cardano is sitting at the number 3 spot on the world cryptocurrency list by market cap. So, guys, in this video, we're going to be going over some recent news about Cardano and Solana. Then, we're going to be reading this JP Morgan article all about Cardano versus Solana, and then I'll be giving some of my price predictions for both the coins and seeing which coin will make you more money right at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. What is up, guys? It's the Bitcoiner back here with another valuable cryptocurrency video. We have new cryptocurrency videos coming out every single day, ranging from the latest in altcoin news to fundamental and technical analysis. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing as it's free. You can always unsubscribe, and if you find any help or value on this video at all, please let me know with a like or comment, as these videos are completely free to make and it really supports me when I see these likes and comments. Thanks so much. So, guys, if you're not really a Cardano follower, but you just know a little bit about the company and just a crypto fan in general, you will know that Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform, the first to be founded on a peer review research and developed through evidence-based methods. It combines pioneering technology to provide unparalleled security and sustainability to decentralized application systems and societies. Very similar to Solana. If you guys didn't already know, let's have a look at what exactly Solana is. Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world and the fastest growing ecosystem in crypto, with over 400 projects spanning from DeFi to NFTs to Web3 and more. So they're very competitive companies and very similar. And currently we are seeing a bit of a win from Cardano with a recent 24-hour increase of 1.76%, and a little bit of a win from Solana with a 7.52% increase in the last 24 hours. However, if we go down to the week, we can see Cardano has gone down a little bit of a 11.13%, and is sitting around $2.41, and Solana has gone down 11% as well in the last week. So because of their closeness to each other as companies and in purpose for the future, it is pretty obvious that they're going to go down together in the same trend. But we will see in this video what I think will prevail in the future for the biggest price increases and returns on investment. Now we're going to be going ahead and looking at the trading view. We can see it is plateauing down a little bit for Cardano, and look at this. How similar is this pattern between Cardano and Solana? It is almost like they are the same coin. Look, Solana obviously has spiked a little bit more in the last few months, but Cardano is seeing that same spike. As we can see, a dip in mid-June to September, and then the same dip in the mid-June to September, and that just really shows how they're such similar companies, and they're both profiting off the same big things and big news in the same industry, because they're really working off the same industry. So yeah, let's get into this article before we get into my price predictions for the long, short, and mid-term. Let's see what this is saying. JP Morgan issued a stark warning over the price of Solana, Binance, BNB, and Cardano as the Ethereum rivals roar back. Wall Street giant JP Morgan, which has correctly called at least one cryptocurrency market sell-off already this year, has warned over front and retailer investors mania currently coursing through the crypto market, singling out Ethereum rivals Solana and Binance and Cardano. So Ethereum is also rivals with Solana and Cardano, and it's really these four big altcoins that are really battling for the top the top 5 spaces below Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency lists by market cap, and it's really interesting to see. So if you guys are really looking at making some money, I'd just invest a little bit of money in all of these companies and you're bound to make some money. The price of Solana, Cardano, and Binance BNB have increased at an eye-watering clip over the recent months, as we can see, almost an identical kind of pattern and curve. Obviously, with the Solana, we have seen a new all-time high of $191, which is great to see, a little bit more than Cardano, but yeah, overall it's really the same pattern. With Solana token charging into the Bitcoin crypto market top 10 and hot on the heels of both BNB and Cardano. Solana is up further 30% on this time yesterday, as added up to a whopping 5,000% since the time last year. So this is a 5,000%. This is a little bit of a foreshadowing to my long-term prediction for the Solana price in the future. In a note to clients, JP Morgan Managing Director Nicholas, I'm not even going to pronounce that name, said retail investors have been propelling smaller cryptocurrencies to never before seen highs, with Bitcoin's share of the market looking uncomfortably low by historical standards. Now let's read a few quotes from Panagritsiolu. I think I pronounced that wrong. The August rally in non-fungible tokens and the pickup in decentralized finance activity have helped not only Ethereum but also alternative cryptocurrencies that facilitate or plan to facilitate smart contracts such as Solana, such as Binance Coin, and of course Cardano. Pointing to the data that showed so-called altcoin trading now represents about 33% of the cryptocurrency market, a significant uptick from 22% earlier this year in August. The previous phase of retail investor mania into cryptocurrency market was between the beginning of January and mid-May, and retail investors are making cryptocurrency markets look frothy again. This week, crypto prices have swung wildly as El Salvador planned to adopt Bitcoin as its official currency alongside the US dollar gets off the ground, sparking a huge amount of media attention and controversy, which I will go on about on my next video, so make sure to stay tuned. On Tuesday, the Bitcoin price saw a near 20% sell-off, sending shockwaves through the crypto market and knocking the price of Ethereum and rivals Solana, Binance, and Cardano. Most major cryptocurrencies have now bounced back, however, as we can see with the recent price bounces of ADA and Sol. The share of altcoin price, rather elevated by historical standards and in our opinion is more likely to be a reflection of froth and retail investor mania rather than a reflection of structural uptrend, JP Morgan analysts conclude. Let's just look at the recent price of Ethereum. Wow, so we're looking at 3.5k, up 902%. We can look further at that on the crypto market cap right here. It has gone down since the publishing of this article, which was only a few days ago, so it has gone down a bit. But yeah, it is at 3.3, which is still really good, I must say. Going back to the month view, we have hit a height of 3.96 this month, which is absolutely huge. But as I've said on this channel, its whole existence, Ethereum is a very good coin and it will continue to prosper. Just waiting for the Ethereum 2.0, and maybe things are a little bit slow right now, but Ethereum 2.0 is coming and lots of people are buying it because they want to get in before it shoots up when Ethereum 2.0 comes out. However, if Ethereum 2.0 is bad, then the price could dramatically decrease. Continuing on with this article, after Solana has dominated the altcoin market over the last week or so, Cardano is thought likely to return to form over the next week or so as expectations build ahead of planned upgrade this weekend. The altcoin space has only been heading in one direction, with ADA as one of the best performing assets. Lucas Ender Conrad, Chief Product Officer at crypto exchange Bitpanda, said in emailed comments, Cardano Alonso upgrade and arrival of smart contracts on the network is right around the corner, which is driving the price higher. Cardano is now the world's third largest cryptocurrency, behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. Nigel Green, the chief executive of financial advisory at the group Dever, said in emailed comments pointing to Cardano's 1.6 thousand price rally since January. This impressive momentum is set to gain further pace as we move towards the end of the year, and I believe we can expect Cardano to hit fresh all-time highs, reaching more than $4 by the end of 2021. And that is crazy, and that is my midterm price prediction for Cardano. That would be a 200% increase, and that could maybe even beat Ethereum if Ethereum plateaus due to the bad nature of the possible bad nature of 2.0 launch because of all the hype that's being built up, and it may not live up to that hype. As for Solana, for the midterm, I'm gonna say it can reach back up to that 190 mark. It has plateaued a little bit down for now, but that is just FUD, and that leads into my short-term prediction for Solana, which is basically stating it will just fluctuate around this 160 to 170 point, maybe go down to 152, and it will just fluctuate like this until some more significant news has come out, or some rivals like ADA and Ethereum go down a little bit, and then as a result the substitute of Solana, because they are substitute coins of each other, economically it should go up. And for the long term for both these things, it was said that by the end of 2021 it was going to hit $4, but I'm thinking longer, maybe by the end of 2022. I have huge price predictions for this. We have already seen 1000% increases, and I think we can see something like that soon. So I'm thinking maybe even $6 to $10 per token, per coin, for the Cardano cryptocurrency, and that will just naturally grow as the whole cryptocurrency market grows too, so that's nothing special there. But for Solana, it is sitting at the 7th in the world by market cap, so it does have a little bit more room to highly grow. However, it is a little bit more risky, and that's why I think it could potentially reach heights of $400 to $500 by late 2022, maybe mid 2022. But yeah, guys, that really depends on how it performs against Ethereum 2.0. Everything basically is based on Ethereum and the future prices of Bitcoin and how Bitcoin continues to develop, because Bitcoin is basically the god of all cryptocurrencies right now. If you didn't know that, you should have, because it just is. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching, guys. This has been another valuable cryptocurrency video from me. If you found any help or value on it at all, let me know with a like or a comment. And if you really liked it, please subscribe, as it's free and you can always unsubscribe. If you subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.